If you are writing Laravel code like this, when you could be writing it like this, then you need to watch this video. What's up developers, I'm about to show you 5 Laravel tricks that will make your code cleaner, faster, and honestly, make you look like a Laravel wizard. And if you stick around to tip number 5, I guarantee it will blow your mind. Let's jump in. Stop killing your database with unnecessary queries. Here is what is happening every time you return this API resource. Laravel is making a separate database query to fetch all the user's posts, even if your frontend doesn't need them. If you have 100 users, that's a 101 database queries instead of just one. Here's the magic. When loaded, checks if the post relationship was already loaded with eager loading. If yes, it includes them. If no, it simply excludes this field from the response. No etc. queries. This one trick can cut your API response times in half and reduce database load by 90%. Tip number 2. Stop manually converting data types everywhere in your code. Look at this mess. You are manually converting the same database fields over and over. The preferences column stores JSON as a string, is active, comes back as 0 and 1, and dates are just strings. You are doing Laravel's job, basically. And here's what happens in this case. Laravel automatically converts these fields when you read or write to the database. JSON becomes arrays, integers became booleans, strings became carbon dates. One definition in your model, and Laravel handles all the conversion automatically throughout your entire application. It's like having a personal data assistant. Tip number 3. This helper function will change how you think about object manipulation. See the problem? The problem here, you create the user, then you have to reference that user variable 3 more times. Plus, you have to remember to return it at the end. What if you could do all this in one smooth chain? Here is what tab does. It takes your object, passes it to the closure, where you can perform any operations, then returns the original object. No temporary variables, no forgetting to return things. So tab is like a pipeline for your objects. Perform operations and keep the flow going. It makes your code read like a story. Tip number 4. Stop writing the same where clauses over and over again. You are repeating the same query logic throughout your application. Every time you need active users, you write the same where clauses. This is a maintenance nightmare. For example, what happens when active becomes enabled? Here is the power. You define the query logic once in your model, each scope method, get the query builder passed in, you add your where conditions and return the query. The scope prefix tells Laravel this is a query scope. Your queries now read like plain English. Plus, if you need to change what active means, you change it in one place and it updates everywhere. Your future self will send you a thank you card. And finally, tip number 5. This is going to completely change how you think about eloquent relationships. Here you are creating a new relationship method for every single variation. What happens when you have like 10 different post statuses, 50 different filters? This way you will have hundreds of relationship methods. But that's not even the crazy part. Watch this. You have just created infinite relationship variations with a single method. Your eloquent relationships can now adapt to any situation in real time. So there you have it. Which step surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to see more Laravel secrets, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon because I drop new Laravel content every week. And if you enjoy this, you are going to love these videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.